guys. Happy Friday to some of you. If you have a Purple Day class, happy Monday to the other classes, my Silver Day classes. Let's get into reading for today. So we're watching our daily video. We are getting our 10 minutes of reading time in. Make sure you pause this video and stop everything and set a timer for 10 minutes to get your reading in. I've enjoyed looking at your Flipgrids and seeing what all you guys are reading. So your first task of the day is to go to the Flipgrid and experience kind of what I've been as I look through all your guys' videos. So I want you to take a look at what your classmates posted and respond to two classmates. So give a reply to two classmates' videos on the reading check-in tab. If that person has a ton of replies, try to pause. Like maybe if they have two or three, don't give them a response and make sure that we are kind of evenly distributing our responses, especially if someone has no responses to their video. Try to give them their replies first. So try to distribute the comments equally. And then the last thing that we have to do today is guided notes for ethos, logos, and pathos. So those of you that competed in the optional vocab challenge, thank you. I hope that maybe the repetition of seeing those vocab words prepared you for getting started with ethos, logos. Oh my gosh, it's hard to say. Ethos, logos, and pathos for today. I did go ahead and put that Flipgrid link back in this folder as well, so it would be easy for you to access. And then let's take a look at the notes for today. Okay. So they're just guided notes. You're going to watch a YouTube video and fill them in as you watch. Some of them are just as simple as when you watch the video, it answers it directly. Others, I specifically state from your own brain. So you'll have to maybe pause and answer these questions to think on your own that they are not in the video, and you'll have to come up with the answer yourself. Some of them are just questions, some of them are finish the sentence, some of them are fill in the blanks. You'll see, but I've got the questions on the left and you put your responses on the right. And then at the very end, I did want to explain the last two questions. So I have a question here. If another 7th grader asked you to explain to them what ethos, logos, pathos are in your own kid-friendly words, what would you tell them? So I'm asking you to finish these sentences, but in a way that would make sense to another 7th grader if they asked you. And I'm assuming you might start with ethos is basically this, pathos is basically this, etc. And then you might say at the end pretty much all three blank. And then at the very end, give me a number and an explanation for overall how well you feel like you understand these three concepts by the end of the lesson, and explain the rank you gave yourself. So submit this assignment when you're done, and that's all for today. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.